guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a paid promotion by Polar Well, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all my coffee organization secrets. These are the new Polar Well K-Cup and Nespresso Pod organizing drawer inserts. I love these because I no longer have to search for the coffee pod that I want to use in the morning. I can easily see all of my coffee pods in the drawer, and it's just less messy than having a bunch of different K-Cup boxes in my cabinets and things like that. So I definitely really love that these have decluttered my drawers. So let's go ahead and take a look at the drawers and we'll talk about some of the details of these organizers. Here I have the 48 cup, the 36 cup, and the 10 cup organizer. So there's lots of different sizes to fit your needs. This is the 48 cup organizer. It's a very thick foam, but it's very lightweight. It's durable. It isn't flimsy at all. And you can fit so many coffee pods in it. Like, I just love how clean and organized my drawers look using these. I have a small kitchen, so cabinet space is prime real estate around here. So as soon as I got this, I chucked those boxes because they take up so much space in the cabinet and they just look a mess, and I have to like take out a bunch of stuff to even get to the box that I want to get the pods that I want to use. So this is so much better for me. Chuck those boxes and get an organizer. I'm telling you, it makes a world of difference. They do have other sizes as well. This is the 36 cup organizer. This one is a little bit thinner. This is perfect if you don't want to take up your whole drawer with the organizer, or if you just have a smaller drawer. So that's the great thing about these. They offer a variety of different sizes. No matter how big or small your drawers are, they have something for you. Keep in mind that these do fit the K-Cup, they fit the Nespresso pods, but they also fit other brands of coffee pods that you can find on Amazon. Like these are the Beauty Purpose coffee pods that have collagen and biotin infused in them. I did a review on that. I'll link that at the very end in the cards for you guys if you want to check it out. But you can fit a variety of different types of pods into these organizers. So I love that about these. They're versatile. So if you drink one type of coffee and somebody else drinks something else, you can both use these organizers, which I like. So the other two that I showed you are perfect for the coffee lover or the club membership type of person who has a lot of coffee pods on hand, or if you have a dedicated coffee bar in your house, these will be absolutely perfect for that. But even if you're someone who has limited drawer space, or you just don't drink that many coffee pods, but you want to keep some near where you have your coffee maker, they do have a 10 cup organizer that you can put into your drawer, and you can still fit other things in the drawer as well with it, which is really nice. Also, if your drawer allows it, you can put more than one. You could organize your coffee separate from your hot chocolate or your tea. So these are super versatile. So as you guys can see, they come in a variety of different sizes, and my drawer just looks a million times better with these organizers than they did before. So I would highly recommend picking up these organizers. I'll have the links down below in the description box to the Polar Well coffee pod organizer inserts that I displayed in today's video, and they also have even more options available on Amazon.com as well. So make sure that you check them out, and thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.